Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saira Najla Livia from Ten Bahasa. I will tell the story of Four Sultan of Maluku. This folk tale tells of a handsome young man named Jafar Siddiq who lives alone in a small house in a village. In the middle of the forest where Jafar Siddiq was looking for firewood, there was a lake with clear water. One afternoon, Jafar Siddiq saw a rainbow extending from the sky which ended up falling in the middle of the lake. At the end of the rainbow arch appeared 7 nymphs who then flew to the edge of the lake to bathe. Jafar Siddiq was mesmerized by their beauty, especially the nymph dressed in purple shawls. Jafar Siddiq stole her scarf so that the purple-clad nymph could not return to heaven. The angel was named Putri Boki Nurfaisah. She was left by her sisters alone. Jafar Siddiq came out of hiding, then took Putri Boki Nurfaisah to his house. Since living in his house, Jafar Siddiq has become more interested and wants to marry her. Then Jafar Siddiq proposes to Princess Boki Nurfaisah. Putri Boki Nurfaisah accepted the proposal on the condition that if she found her scarf, Jafar Siddiq could not prevent her from returning to heaven. A few years later, Jafar Siddiq and Putri Boki Nurfaisah were blessed with 4 small boys. One day when her husband was working in the fields, Putri Boki Nurfaisah saw a purple cloth tucked into the roof of the house. She took the cloth. After being observed, it turns out that the cloth is her scarf. In the midst of the emotional atmosphere, Putri Boki Nurfaisah said goodbye to her children and then flew back to heaven. Once upon a time, from Jafar Siddiq's farm, he shocked and was sad when he heard the story that Putri Boki Nurfaisah had returned to heaven. Time goes on. Since their mother left them, Jafar Siddiq's 4 sons have grown into handsome, religious, and social-minded young men. When North Maluku was divided into 4 sultanates,